In this video, I'll show you how to install Bluetooth on Windows 10. If your device uses an Intel processor, you can download Bluetooth drivers directly from the Intel's official website. Go to Intel's Download Center and navigate through the available options to find Bluetooth drivers. Download them and install them directly. Or you can update Bluetooth drivers for specific drivers. Just right-click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen and select Device Manager from the list of options. In the Device Manager, expand the Bluetooth section to see all paired Bluetooth devices. Right-click on the device causing the issue and select Update Driver from the context menu. A window pop-up will appear asking you how you want to search for drivers. Just select Search automatically and it will be installed. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.